Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the device, get your phone, open the barcode app or camera, and make sure location permissions are allowed. Aim to expose the barcode cleanly, remove price tags or smooth wrinkles because distortion slows recognition. Hold the phone steady at about 6-12 inches, adjust angle to avoid glare. Once done, tap to focus, and the scanner will lock onto the bars. If it's not reading immediately, move slightly closer or activate the flash for contrast. Now you capture the code. Center the barcode inside the guide, keeping edges parallel to the frame so lines read straight across. Hold for 1 to 2 seconds while autofocus and decoding run. Most apps will beep or show a banner when successful. Make sure you read the numeric string below the bars. This confirms the exact GTIN or SKU, since similar codes exist. If the app shows multiple matches, select the one that lists the correct brand and size, because that ensures accurate product details. Finish by using the scan data. Open the product page, verify size, color, and price, and then save or add to inventory as needed. If scanning fails, change the light source or tilt the garment slowly. Small angle shifts often resolve reflections. Make sure the label is clean. A quick wipe can help. When the barcode is damaged beyond reading, manually type the numeric code or enter the SKU printed elsewhere so you keep accurate records. One tip: clear the app cache if repeated failures persist.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.